Our next phrase is tampering. What's a word, actually?
Entire world is about to forget that Peter Parker is Spider-Man.
Wait, everyone? Can't some people still know?
That's not how the spell works.
So MJ's gonna forget about everything we've ever been through?
Stop tampering with the spell.
So, when you tamper with something, you have messed with something. You have interrupted something. You've just you picked at something. Something was going along and then you did something to move it off its path. It's not good. When you tamper with something, something bad has happened. It's not like, oh, I fixed it. No, it's like, oh, I broke it. Yup. If you tampered with something, you probably broke it. I mean, not necessarily, but you probably broke it. It is not good. The outcome, whatever happened, was bad. You messed with it. You just you moved it a little bit, or you just it was in the middle of something and you stopped it, or you took part of it. You've done something. You did something. You did something to mess with it, and now there's a problem. This can be done on purpose. This cannot be done on purpose. So in this case, in the movie, the spell has been tampered with. So the spell was being done, and then he comes in and he's like, no, wait, and he starts messing with the spell, and it goes wrong. Because when you tamper with something, something goes wrong. You can have good intentions. It doesn't matter if you have tampered with it. We only use that word when something has gone wrong. Now, somebody can be nefarious. They can be kind of mean and evil and tamper with something to try and hurt somebody. Like if you were to tamper with someone's car, that would mean you have done something to make their car not work properly. You've done something to make their car not work right. You have broken their car. You can tamper with someone's brakes in their car, which means their car would not stop properly. I have no idea how you would do that because I don't know anything about cars. Also, I would never do that. That's obviously very dangerous. It is super, super mean. It does happen though. But in that case, you've tampered with someone's brakes, and someone might say, my car wouldn't stop. I think someone's tampered with my brakes. You can tamper with someone's alarm system to their house, and that means, I don't know, maybe you've hacked into it. Maybe you've physically done something to break it or to make it not work correctly, to make it not work properly, to make it not work right. You have tampered with it. So whenever you're tampering, you're messing with something and something bad happens. Maybe you wanted something bad to happen. Maybe you did not want something bad to happen. Doesn't matter. You tampered with it. You broke it. Yeah. Now you wouldn't say you've tampered with the child's toy. If you break, if you were me when you were growing up and you had Barbie dolls and you just broke their legs off. The expensive Barbie dolls, the legs did not go back on. The cheap Barbie dolls, the legs did go back on, just so you know. But maybe you've broken your toy. You haven't tampered with it. No, that's just breaking things. So when you tamper with something, you're not just breaking it, you're making it so it doesn't work properly. So think of some sort of a machine. If you do something to make a machine not work properly, you've tampered with it. And when you tamper with something, there's intent. You do it on purpose. So maybe you're tampering with something because you think it's going to help make it better. Or maybe you're tampering with something because something has started and then you're like, oh no, wait, I don't want that. And you're trying to stop it or you're trying to change it. But whatever you've done it on purpose. You knew you were doing it. It's not an accident. So we don't use tampering for a child breaking a toy or me pulling off the legs of my Barbie dolls. We use it because someone has on purpose made the decision to mess something up, to make some changes. And whether they meant for it to be bad or not, whatever happened, whatever the result was, it was bad. It's not good. Well, those are all of our words for this video. There are 2 other videos of Spider-Man words that I'm doing. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, put the notification bell on so you know when I do more of these. So I've got 2 more for this. movie that I have on my channel, and then I also have some from other TV shows. I'm currently going through Lock and Key. I really like that one. And I will be doing some others as well. If you have some requests, you can put them in the comments. If you want to use these words in a sentence, I would love to see you guys do that. You can put that in the comments below as well. All right, so that's it. Thank you. Bye.